BigML AI Tool Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of BigML, an advanced AI tool designed to simplify machine learning workflows. If you're interested, you can find links to the product in the description below. In this review, I'll break down the key features, usability, and who this tool is best suited for. BigML is a powerful platform for building and deploying machine learning models, offering a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced data scientists. One of its standout features is the AutoML functionality, which automates much of the model building process, allowing users to quickly generate models without deep expertise in coding. The platform supports a wide variety of algorithms, including decision trees, clustering, and deep learning, which can be easily applied to various types of data, from numerical to categorical. It also allows for model optimization with hyperparameter tuning to ensure you get the best performance possible. For users who want more control, BigML offers an advanced mode with extensive customization options for fine-tuning models, creating advanced workflows, and handling large data sets efficiently. The tool also supports integrations with other platforms like Python, R, and various cloud services, making it versatile for those who want to incorporate machine learning into their existing tech stack. BigML is ideal for businesses, data analysts, and researchers looking for a reliable, scalable AI tool without the steep learning curve. It's perfect for those who need to leverage machine learning for predictive analytics, customer segmentation, or even anomaly detection, but don't want to dive too deep into complex coding or model development. Overall, BigML is a comprehensive, easy-to-use machine learning platform that can be leveraged by both beginners and experts. Whether you're looking to build your first model or optimize existing ones, it delivers results with minimal effort. Check the description for the link, and happy learning!